Today, I have been tasked by my seller to sell this property. So, this property is located at Central Singapore City View Henderson HDB estate. It's right in between prime sought after Redhill and Tiong Bahru. Previously, news reported Tiong Bahru woke up jumbo flat with an age balance of 51, transacted at 1.1 million at 2020 is of insane value already at that point of time. And yes, recently more lifestyle choices madness. Tiong Bahru old jumbo flat broke the highest record at 1.5 million, making this the most expensive HDB ever sold in the history of Singapore. And also, a quick fact, the property that I'm selling for today is 6-minute walk to Tiong Bahru MRT, Mall and Plaza. And here we go, time to explore the surrounding amenities. All 5 necessity, all within walking distance. And we are heading to accessible food store, market and kopitiam. Yes, famous Redhill Market. Later right at the end, we have our first giant supermarket and it's 24 hours too. Oh look, iron little kids, they've been here to test the test of time. Let's see how long can they last. Also residents nicely enjoying their lunch. And of course the dinner crowd will be flooded in the evening. Such a convenient, nice, homely neighborhood. And we have the McDonald's at this newly revamped swimming complex. Let's check out the swimming complex. Definitely looking good after the renovations. Nicely revamped architecture, looking like a brand new stadium. And over here, what do we have? Retail, F&B, which is the McDonald's, indoor sport hub at level 1. Level 2, dance studio, academy room. Oh, and we have our active lifestyle gym on the 3rd floor. Yes, take a look at this lap pool over here. Delta Sports Center. Look over here, so nice. This is the hero shots of City View, the whole facade of the building. For now, I'm at right opposite Tiong Bahru Park. Family zone area, I'm at the playground with sand. Get the little kids and the family strolling around. Nice family setting. Convenience too. It's just right opposite of us. But you have to tahan all the kids that's running around family style. Relax, enjoy your walk after work or after dinner. While strolling around the park, relax and enjoy your walk, where we try to catch our first live evasive Pokemon, Chicken PG. Look at the action which I will try to capture the PG. Alright, that's all. PG managed to flag our side this time. 6-minute walk to Tiong Bahru MRT, which is connected to the mall. Over here, it's people mountain, people sea, 人山人海. And see how I maneuver my way for this quick fly-through of the malls and retail shops. First floor to the 2nd and the 3rd floor. And not to forget, we have the basement too. And we have NTUC Fair Price Finest right in this mall. And as a bonus, almost forgetting, we have a mini mart right downstairs of this house. Also check out all the schools within 1 kilometers for family with children, highlighting Radimas and River Valley Primary. Both is top reputable choices. The house connectivity, 10-minute drive to CBD and Buona Vista Biomedical and Technological Employment Zone. You can enjoy staying close to your workplace but yet in family-style neighborhood free from city work stress. Hey guys, it's us again, Cedric, Property 65, and this is
Cindy!
Yes, and behind of us, we have a mini park. Drop-off point over there, and we are at 95 Henderson Road. Let's head up to the unit now.
Go back.
Okay, for this HDB estate, it's newly 5-year MOP. Today, we are viewing a 5-room HDB flat. And also to further add on, there's no recent transaction yet, meaning here is so limited supply until no owner that is willing to sell. But luckily for you guys, we got a unit and let's head up to see it. Okay guys, let's head up to the unit. But first, we are going to the 2nd floor. Grab delivery! Okay. Let's go. And during the wet weathers, it's fine because there's a shelter walkway, link bridge all the way to the car park. Let's check it out. Alright. Here we go, direct car park access for you. Yes, we have arrived to the level. Alright, like Cindy, enter to the unit and 看到这个是什么？这个就是屏风，为了风水好，顶着客厅的。
客厅？
是的。
哎，
慢慢参观 ，feel free to explore。
这边不是舞房吗？这是客厅吗
？This is 5 bedroom, yeah, right. 先去看那个窗口线，去看那个这么美的景观。OK。
哇，这边太好看了吧
？And Cindy, no need to 质疑 this is a 5-room flat, and let's pull up the floor plan now. Alright, this house is 1216 square feet. Comes with 2 common rooms, our main bedroom. Last owner actually redesigned 2 additional rooms, one for the study, right beside our living and dining, and the next one beside our household shelter, a gym room, a kitchen, 2 bathroom. 你在找什么？
我在找这个房子的位置。
No problem. Firstly, look over here. Because some of the buyers, they like to ask, where is the owner heritage? Is owner Singaporean, PR? Definitely Singaporean and PR to own a HDB. And some will ask, how big is the family size? 来给你看，屋主以前也是国内的，mini mall， 大概是这里，也是你的老乡。你在哪里？
我不是那里，我不是那里。
你是这里？你是这里？新加坡在哪里？我也不知道。OK， 可以。No problem。现在就是他们呢已经不是那个国内了，他们变成 full-fledged Singaporean。And they did very well. They buy a property which is in CCR core central Fringe, somewhere around here, which is very close to our CBD. It's here in the middle of Redhill and Tiong Bahru Prime Living Estate. And this circle here is core central CBD 黄金市中区了。
了解了。屋主根据每个家庭成员的需求，给到了每一个人专属的独立空间。
That's right, Cindy. Owner actually value their own personal space very dearly. That's why all of them has multi-purpose room.
Yes.
There's a total of 5 rooms now. We have this like a gym storage room. Then this is a family room, and behind of this family hall, owner actually did extra partition to do into guest room, a study room, tuition room for kids, and each of the kids and family member has their own bedroom intact.
很适合大家庭哦。Cedric 为什么没有沙发呀？我们坐哪里？
It's okay， 没有沙发对吗？坐地板啊，来，我们坐地板。
真的？
对，来坐地板。And while we are on the floor, let's take a moment to enjoy the nice sky view. And this HDB estate is called City View.
我看到了摩天轮。我看到腾中巴嘎。
Okay, while we are enjoying the nice view, but there's a caveat which all buyers might be concerned. Is there any hot baking west sun? Let's pull out the compass and take a look. This is east facing, 早上的太阳 partial south too. So we can consider southeast facing with nice enjoying view that looking the Straits of Marina. Over there, South Beach Residence, the most expensive condo in Singapore. And further apart, we still have Wallis Residence, which is the tallest building iconic in Singapore. You can enjoy all of the view and of course, our Singapore flyers too. And just now that you mentioned there's no furniture, it's okay because owner takes selling to the next level, super serious to sell. Anyway, when you buy the house, it's vacant possession anyway. So we have to make sure we give you a vacant house, but all furnitures will be gone, fittings and fixtures will remain intact in the wall. Anything that is mounted to the wall, is stuck to the wall, will remain in the house.
True.
坐了这么久啊，还蛮舒服的，但是屁股痛了啦。走啦，我们 let's go. Let's head over to the kitchen there. Firstly, while we are entering the kitchen, what we have here, we have a small dining corner fit for up to 6 party. Okay, come over here. We have this glass frontage and closable kitchen. And of course, our standard top-down cabinet, left and right, quartz countertop, hot wood. And look at this beautiful oven plus a comfortable space for you to store your micro oven. And at this kitchen corridor, common space over here, it serves as a multi-purpose indoor gym. Look at this countertop. And to test the sturdiness of the furnishing, I will do it for you. You can transform it as a dips machine. You can do dips. And look at all these top-down cabinet. How is the depth of the storage? How functional and how much item you can store? We will show it to you right now. Okay. Look at the generous storage space over here. And guys, moving on to our backyard over here. Owner has thoughtfully made a nice backyard facing for you and your wash area over here. We can see about 60% unblocked view. There's no neighbors overlooking back into the kitchen. because most of the BTO these days is neighbors to neighbor, kitchen to kitchen, block to block, super close 20 meters. Here, you're safe and you enjoy this unblocked view. Especially, we are at a high floor. Hey Cindy, 你在哪里? Hello, 到你了. Okay, we have to hunt for her now. Hello? Hello? Study room? Partition room number 1? No, nobody here. Store room 不可能有人吧？对，哇，这个把握这个够力，没有倒下来，很好的这个山。Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, but all the rooms enjoy really nice block view. Okay, room number 2, room number 3. Oh, still have a piano. Okay, let's go. Where are you? Where are you? 你在哪里？
我等你们很久啦。主人房看向远处是超美的无阻挡城市景观，近处的绿色公园景观也令人神清气爽。超大的房间，在放下沙发、书桌、双人床后，还可以隔出一个步入式的衣帽间。是的，你也看到了，步入式衣帽间这边还有多一扇窗。这个房间享受了南北通透的双窗。
Okay guys, and this HDB come with a bonus feature sky garden on the 20th floor, which where we are right now. And behind of us, look at this magnificent view. Thanks for watching so much. Remember to smash the like and subscribe buttons. And Cindy, say our slogan in Chinese.
我们来自 Property 65，我们 uplift 您的房产价值，我们厉害。关注我们，您值得拥有。
Remember to contact us to see the house. See you guys next week.